Hello, all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, Happy New Year to you all. And as it's an early, fresh start in the week of the new year, and recently I'd been to shopping today evening, and while coming back, I forgot my umbrella, and it was raining like anything. And this reminded me of my golden days in India, or mainly in Bengaluru. And when you're drenched and it's a little bit cold and wet, you always wish to have, let's say, upma, the typical South Indian dish. And so I thought, okay, why not today? I'll prepare and also share it with you guys so that you can also prepare. Very easy to prepare. All you need is very basic items, which I'll also show you during the video. So please join me, and hopefully it comes nicely and also tastes good.
So to prepare this upma, I've used some beans, carrots, peas and bell pepper. The color can be any choice of yours. So for this I've used some butter, or you can use ghee or oil, some basic tadka and cumin, mustard, urad dal or chana dal. So add the finely chopped onion, saute them. Apart from that, add some dry leaves, the green chili and some peanuts and cashews. So after this step, add the finely chopped fresh vegetables, the beans, carrots, and enjoy the flavor of these finely chopped vegetables. Saute them for around 3 to 4 minutes until you get the fragrance out of them.
So if you don't get the typical Indian suji or rava, you can also use, which you get in the German supermarket. It's called hard pricing grease.
Now add around 100 grams of this rava. It need not be roasted earlier, so you can, as you see, you're roasting right along with the vegetables. So the measurement usually to have a soft upma is the water should be 1:3. That is 1 cup of rava means 3 cups of equivalent water. So add some salt and turmeric as per taste and let it boil, and as you enjoy the flavor, add some more water as per need and close the lid for, let's say, 3 to 4 minutes, and after that it should be ready, very soft. If you think it's a little bit, then add some butter to have more softness, and finally season it some coriander.
So friends, finally the upma is ready, and I think I took around 15 to 17 minutes. So as you know, it's very easy, if you have for all the chopped vegetables. So let's taste. I hope it tastes as good as when I used to taste in by Bengaluru, the typical restaurants or the Shanti Sagas. Quite good, I would say, but definitely can't match the authentic typical South Indian restaurants. So yeah, that's all of it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to like, subscribe and also share if you like, and don't and please put in the comment section if you like more of such videos or some other cuisines or Italian or whatever. I'll try to come up with an idea. So have a nice evening and see you in the next one.